Replacing an NSM module. Replacing an NSM module involves moving the DIMMs, fans, and power supply from the impaired NSM module to the replacement NSM module. The real-time clock battery comes pre-installed in the replacement NSM module. Loop your index fingers through the finger holes of the latching mechanisms on either side of the NSM module. With your thumbs, press down and hold the orange tabs on top of the latching mechanisms. Gently pull forward until the NSM module is about 1/3 of the way out of the shelf. Hold both sides of the NSM module to support its weight, and then place it on a flat, stable surface. Move the fans from the impaired NSM module to the replacement NSM module. Move the DIMMs from the impaired NSM module to the replacement NSM module. Close the cover of each NSM module, and then fasten the thumb screws. Move the power supply from the impaired NSM module to the replacement NSM module.